welcome to HIIT at Home, the 12-week challenge. I'm Katrina, I'm a fitness instructor and I'm head of my company, K-Fit. Now I'm all about using exercise to help you feel really good on the inside as well as looking pretty good on the outside. Now this is your 12-week HIIT course. So HIIT means high intensity interval training. Now I'm going to go into more detail as we go along as to what that really means. All you need to know for now is that HIIT training is the fastest way that you can burn fat, meaning that we're going to get the best results possible in this small space of time. It's my mission within 12 weeks to get you to feel fitter, get that body confidence up there and to really feel and see some results. Now I've broken this workout down into 5 key sections. So we start ourselves off with some cardio, then we move on to our lower body, upper body, then we have our core exercises and then we finish off with a really nice stretch. Now the reason that these have been broken down into 5 components is so that you can pick and choose your workout depending on the amount of time that you have available. I appreciate we are very busy people nowadays. So if you only have 10 minutes available, I ask that you start with your cardio and then you go straight onto your cool down. That's your 10-minute workout, and as a rule we always start with the cardio and then end with our cool down. If you have more time than that, you can add in the other components. Your full workout is 30 minutes long. So try and get those 30 minutes in if you can. Now actually, if you have more time than 30 minutes, you can go back and you can take another section again. So if you found that you actually really liked working your legs or you liked that burn in your tummy, then go back and do it again, just making sure you always finish with that cool down. Now, I think it's quite obvious that the more you put into this, the more you're going to get out of it. So for the best results, try and fit this workout in as much as you can. I would suggest doing your full workout a minimum of 3 times a week, but if you can fit it in more than that, you're doing really, really well. Let's get it in as many times as we can. Now, everything I teach you, none of it's new, none of it's revolutionary. These are all my favourite exercises that I've learned through my years of teaching, that I've found that firstly I enjoy them the most, and secondly they are the most effective so that I can get you feeling good as quickly as I possibly can. They're my hand-picked exercises from me to you. You're welcome. Now, alongside your workout, I'm also going to be giving you tools, tips and tricks throughout your 4-week program. So just have a look down your menu bar and you should see to start with that you have a pre and post assessment sheet. You then also have your fitness diary and your goal setting sheet. So get those printed out and I'd like you to have a look at them now and just set yourself a couple of goals, work out how you're feeling today, and then we can start to track that progress. Most importantly, this is going to help you recognise your progression. You also have me, your motivational machine that's going to help you along the way. I'm going to be with you in every single workout, pushing you that little bit further just to see if we can get the best results possible. I tell some pretty terrible jokes along the way as well, so I'm going to apologise in advance for them, but I hope you enjoy. So, shall we go? Get your exercise gear on, put your sports bra on, let's hit it.